Oh. See, so we have 8 tablespoons of soy sauce, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a cup of Screamin Onions, maybe a little more. But we're gonna all mix it together. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. So it makes like 2 cups of liquid. And this is what we put in the bottom of the slow cooker. Pour half on the bottom of the slow cooker, pour the other half on the top of the pork when we put it in the slow cooker. So, easy. Yeah, it got a little bit dark. Should have seen what else happened. So I'm gonna put that inside here if we can fit it. Can we? We'll see. This is what we do. You notice we scored the pork, and I also studded it with some garlic. So I took like 1 whole bulb of garlic, cut it, peeled it, and then cut those pieces in either 2 or 3 cuts, but lengthwise. And I stuck a knife inside the pork, and I pushed the garlic in with the knife. And so it's about 1 inch deep into the pork loin. But anyway, this is gonna be delicious. And then 5.5 hours on high, and then we'll check it. Ta-da! Left it out all night. Oh, it's good. Look at that. Oh, it's great.